Lovelies, just out of the shower. I did a curly hair products that I use. They're still on the desk here. I might do that in the next video, but in this video I wanted to put a fringe back in. Now normally I would go to the hairdressers, but I'm not going to the hairdressers for a while, so wet my hair is literally down here. When it's not wet, it's literally up here. So what I want to do is I want to put a fringe in. So, oh, it's got lots of hair in it. That won't do, will it? Now, sometimes I will put my own fringe in. Other times I'll just, when I go and get my hair cut at the hairdressers, I'll ask them to do it. I don't think it costs much to go to the hairdressers. I think it's less than £10 just for a fringe. I don't want to go to the hairdressers though just for a fringe. So, let's try and do it. Can you see how long it is? These scissors are gonna cut it, pardon the pun. Right, so get that behind there, that behind there, and then this is, that's not the fringe, is it? Right, I think that's the entire fringe from here, because that's the parting. So, Jesus, there's a lot to cut off. I don't want to cut off too much, because obviously we need to dry it. Wowza. It's going to be all lopsided, I just know it. Right, and then we'll take this brush. And I can see some of it. Hang on. Like I said, I don't want to take too much off. Right, let's curl it. So I've got this, like, it's a bounce curl dupe. So can you see how we're going in there? And then the idea behind that is to what I need to do is get the product in, dry my hair. I don't want to keep cutting it. I've already cut this bit off. Dry my hair, and then I'll come back and we will cut more off if need be. I don't know why I've done this, because I hated it last time I had a fringe. High maintenance, but I just want something different with my hair. So yeah, I'm going to go into the next video now and we're going to put the products in, and then I'll come back once it's dry into this video. Well, here we have it. Hopefully when it's settled, when it's dry a little bit more, let's pull this curl down, it will look a bit better. I don't finger curl. Some of them are thick, some of them are not, but I do think it looks better than all flopped over to one side, because then you're getting like one side really, really thick, and then the other side, it looks a lot thinner. So yeah, I hope I don't live to regret this, but like I said, it will grow back really, really quickly. I'm hoping as well it will help with the like breakouts that I'm getting on my head. You can see here all the breakouts I'm getting, and like down here as well, that's all swollen. I'm getting them on my head, but I don't think it's going to make a difference, because what happens is I overheat. I know we're not talking about hair products now. I overheat, and then I get these spots here. It's almost like acne looking, but it's not acne. I mean, it's absolutely ridiculous. It's a bit of a joke. So yeah, I put all my hair products in, but that's going to be in the next video where I'm showing you how I style it. It's about 80-90% dry. That's probably about 80%. The rest is about 85-90. I don't dry it all the way through. I like to air dry some of my hair as well naturally. So I'm going to leave this here, guys. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.